a villa. Been a fuck up the place, a man still a style no easy for thief like Tida. Show me in the twins.
Bucklad man say him style no easy for thief like Tida. Now, upon a real man level, pretty now. Which artist I know have Intence style? Which artist I know sound like Intence? Which artist Intence sound like? Drop it down below in the comment section and make a search for the artist because I like to know. Boom, boom. What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back again with another video. I said I'm back again with another video with the Intence Yeng official video. Yeng. Yo, people don't know if you're expecting about, but don't know from a song a job. Everybody tell me for react to it and thing, but I don't know, brother. When I'm tired, I'm not running come to no video, dog. I'm not kill out myself, dog. No, sir. But they are for the same way. Don't me I say the first me I pray it as usual. I don't listen to them. I watch them before when them drop until me I react to it. You know me? Like a first time reaction. So because I'm going for Intence Yeng people. Want to drop 50 likes per night video. 50 likes. You know me? Hold on, you like the video yet? I make sure say I stay home and big up yourself. You know that if you support Tyrekevlogs, is a real bumbuckler. Yo, big up your bumbuckler yourself if you support my channel. If you like me video them, big up yourself, you know. You see me, if you come from me video them, especially big up your bumbuckler yourself. See it over there, so don't it? Big up your bumbuckler. So we see what going on now, man. Intence Yeng. Yeng badness. Alright.
Say she send me the pussy, Yeng.
Bumba.
I'm a dog and a rookie, Yeng.
Hey, I mean. You see what going on? She send me the post, Yeng. And I'm dad on the rookie. People want more to do, no more to count. How much time dog go say Yeng in that song? I'm gonna say I be a Yeng. Everything Yeng. Run tune.
I wish you want to do me, Yeng. Gun pa my belly, me no bow me, Yeng. Every song me drop trend, Yeng. I'm gonna spend Yeng.
Man does what a bomb bucklet, man say no spend Yeng. Yeng, look at it. Much more Yeng worth in Jamaica. Me no know. But anyways. That video kind of different out of the normal. You see, I say, you know when they look on them something, you see how things and times change. Normally in the dog, on Instagram dog, or not on Instagram, on Facebook. Remember them time when Facebook used to trend dog, you take a picture, you put it in a little square box. Watch it. You see what I go on now? I look at it, it's a whole video, this is the normal people. Them think that out of style on that, when man do it in a video now and still get to use them. Right, June?
Yeah. And see nobody clean like we.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a dad and marine OG.
Okay.
I make you think when I chop 50.
Okay. Def, the man says nobody clean like him squad. The man say, one of them dog, them have some real OG. You know me I say? Yeah. But like that song, you can't vibe to that song. You see me I say that song is a real, you know what I mean? Yeng badness. Yeng. You see me I say, oh, get the girl them out do what? Yeng. We don't understand now what? Run tune.
The rifle a club 50. When me step on I'm a blue Ganzi.
Yeng.
Christian and Japanti.
Bumbuckler, your girl is you. No man say step on in the blue Ganzi. All Christian and Japanti. Bumbuckler. Yeng. And the we are busting down the dog. And the Yeng we are busting the dog. Man say step on in the blue Ganzi. You see me I say all the Christian and my Japanti. Bumbuckler. Run tune Intence.
My Japanti. For the mother and the auntie.
Yeah.
Damn, and I kill me no. In I'm a filler. Weekend, me checking them girl.
The man say, hold on, let me see that. I can't get distracted a while ago. Sorry about that, viewers and subscribers. Hold on, man. See if you watch the video right now and don't subscribe it. I want to subscribe and come up on the road to 10,000 subscribers. That's the goal for the year. You know what I mean? You see me? I'm at 5.8 right now. I'm at halfway. It doesn't see the chopping, so I go 6K before that month. You're done. Run tune.
In a villa, in a fuck up the place, a man still a style no easy for thief like Tida.
Yeah.
Me in the twins.
Bucklad man say him style no easy for thief like Tida. Now, upon a real man level, pretty now. Which artist I know have Intence style? Which artist I know sound like Intence? Which artist Intence sound like? Drop it down below in the comment section and make a search for the artist because I like to know. You hear me I say? Honestly, I don't know. So I ask for real. I know some asking something really, I legitimately don't know. I know some I don't really review on another game. You hear me? But run through.
I shit in the place, me gain the recipe. I float way down, me find the melody.
Please, see there.
The
man know that. The man say I float with that. The man say find the melody, people. You me I say, so let's show say yo, him know, say him get the game now. You see me say, you know, say I understand the game now. Say must put in one song. And the song still got trending. Because man say every song you post got trending. Yeng. Everything do what? In the comment section, I want to see be a Yeng in the comment section. If you rate Intence and rate the reaction boss, I want to see be a Yeng in the comment section. Yeng, 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 Yeng. Run tune.
See nobody clean like we. Well, I'm a dad and marine OG. I make you think when I chop 50.
Yeah.
Every rifle.
So Orlando, I'm to the Yeng sound. I'm to the Yeng sound effect dog. Bumbo clad. I mean say and a dabana. More hear the Yeng. 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 Yeah. Yeah, you do me say more hear the Yeng them dog. No I hear. Is it run tune yeah man?
Well, I clap 50. 50. From a step on my blue Ganzi.
Kristen a drop panty.
I let me sing in my drop panky.
Okay.
The mother and the auntie.
People, see if you not your video now, Intence fans, I want you to comment on the best Intence song down below. The best song from Intence. See me I say, this like really make me find Intence. Alright name. Dog them. Me a couple of my friend. They hear my first fling, but I remember that song the name on the bottle, that song I find Intence. You see me I say? That's what I know about Intence. And I say because it's a whole song. But that's what I know about it. One of your favorite Intence song. That one of my favorite song for real in the dog. That day they will get me carrying the song they dropping. And that's like the fuck up my speaker. Run tune.
I see tell them for coming and them they on the sides. Then come like Bembe, easy recognize. All about
then coming like Bembe. Easy recognize. Me say them big no bumbo clad. Yo! People for the real say I want to like the video, you know. I want 10,000 likes on the video right now. I not even want 50 likes again. 10,000 likes on the video right now. You mean I say I want a reaction go trending one of them day. And people, you see, if you not watch the video, I don't like working a dog. So say if you don't like the video, I want to like the video. I'm not stop singing it on the ears. Like the video. You see, the more like on the video, the more people, more YouTube recommend the video to people for watch. You mean I say, and that more want go on dog. So I don't like the video, man, and support the yard man thing. I run the Yeng.
the money me all up in my vibe. Suck your mother, me don't give a fuck if you say me I run my dad, tell him fling me now the all of fame. Standing on my circle.
Yeah, the man say, your mother, you see me I say, the man I care if you say him hype. Cause guess what? The man work with him one. So I don't care what you have to say about him one. Now that means say tuna dog. So but to my in Spanish. For real dog. You can't look at a man and say, man, you more for anything when people you see somebody talk about people hype and thing dog. If you see somebody put in the work for what them have, you can't say them hype, brother. But you say if I look at Booby now hype up and I go on the most like a him work and buy certain things, you know, say na him do it or family I do them something for him and thing. I eat that if my hype put things so him no work hard for you, do me? But for a man like that Intence now, I mean for example, you work for thing all maybe you too, you work for your thing. Brother, I for a bumbo cleat, liquor, teeth I'm a buy, rotted, and me work for it, me a hype it that bumbo cleat. Me never have none. You can't turn the run tune.
Me no want another lane, bad mind active. Just to me get a break. Mash up the med, new beats like every day. See nobody clean like we.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a dad and marine OG.
The man say mash up them head, new beats like every day, make you nobody have to say. I remember some bad boy goes on drop all this track by Intence, you know. Intence people look upon them and they, what go on? Something wrong in the world. The man goes to boom and direct this in a dog. Dance all. I want the next clash dog, I not lie. I miss the clash. I know why Jamil, me I say Jamil run from the clash. Me don't chat. You know about Jamil? Chronicler run from the chat. Clash, I'm correct myself. So I'm throwing white flag. Jamil ready for him, man. Jamil I wait for him, man. I miss the clash dog. I miss the clash. The clash done too quick. I run 2 days clash go on for. 2 bumbo clock day. I want him 2 now. You never hear what cartel and bumbo clock my father. Run tune here, man.
I make you think when I chop 50.
Yeng.
Every rifle I clap 50.
You're 30 now.
Yeng. Gun pa my belly, me no boom me. Yeng. Every song I drop trend. Yeng. I'm in a Spanish.
Like a video, people. But some look at this good I got me say. Low key boy, my flex plan way, you know. Everything when I'm job training now. I wish me could have go in that training right now. Who can say you were the road? Fuck that, run tune.
Yeng. Yeng.
We all know that is not Intence driving that car or not, you know, people. But what I want to do now, like the video as me say again, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, because we try to reach 10,000 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe to the channel, people, and like up the video. You hear me I say? All you watching, you know my. You come out on the passenger side, brother. You come out on the passenger side. What you go like a him that you fall the car? Be a drama and this to bumbuckle, but run through the Yeng. Them dead. Nothing else going on. People like the video. Big up on yourself. It's been a boy Tyrekejt. I'm out of here.